Free of mineral oil, made from renewable raw materials, extremely durable and highly efficient, HYCUT from Oemeta is the economical, all-inclusive solution for your entire process chain. Improve the carbon footprint of your production operation. HYCUT is free of mineral oil and is made from renewable raw materials. Use the products in the HYCUT family as metalworking fluid, machining oil, or cleaner. All products are fully compatible with one another, removing any cross-contamination. This saves the need for interim cleaning, for example. All products in the HYCUT series are based on synthetic or native ester oils. This benefits you by providing extremely high lubricating performance, significantly reducing tool wear. HYCUT is a two-component metalworking fluid. Oils and additives can be adjusted separately. The result is perfect adjustment to various process, material, and lubrication requirements. The individual components can be topped up as required at any time. The emulsifiers contained in HYCUT are optimized for ester oils. Tramp oils accumulate on the surface and can be easily removed. Cleaner workpieces, tools, and machines. HYCUT dispenses with the need for lengthy cleaning steps, thanks to outstanding rinsing properties. Simply perform tests on the spot. HYCUT test strips accurately measure concentration for greater control. One for all. A component machined with a HYCUT oil can continue to a HYCUT emulsion operation without the need for an interim wash. Machine lubricant deposits improve lubrication properties instead of contaminating the emulsion. And should an interim clean happen to be necessary, the HYCUT cleaner is simply fed back into the emulsion. Numerous customers all over the world already use HYCUT, including leading car manufacturers and notable companies in the aerospace, mechanical engineering, glass and semiconductor industries, as well as those in the medical technology and e-mobility sectors. Make the change now to the successful system from the market leader, Oemeta.